Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and grateful. Today we are observing the Kashmir solidarity today all over the country. God knows how long we shall go on repeating the same practice. I think this is the day of self-assessment. There is no harm in admitting that something is essentially wrong with the way we have so far opted to settle this issue. India itself put up the case for the Kashmir in the UNO. The 18 UN resolution, the resolution about plebiscite in Kashmir are thought and dismissed by the world power as outdated or irrelevant. The question is, does it make any sense to grant the right of self-determination to the Christians of the East Timor and deny the same right to the Kashmiris simply because the beneficiaries will be the Muslim? India has fortified the border with different layer of deep defense reinforced by electronic equipment. It simply means that either the infiltration is not taking a place or the Indian army is the most inefficient in the world. Kashmir is not just a matter of territory or economy but of ideology to Pakistan. However, it is the interest of the people of Pakistan to learn at least 3 lessons from history. First, Kashmiris are bound to win freedom for long run. No power on earth can subjugate for a long a people who are fighting with their back the wall. Secondly, on the political and diplomatic level, we should make hectic efforts for the worldwide recognition and the distinction between terrorism and freedom movement. Thirdly, freedom can never be achieved just by solicitation, negotiation and resolution. The great power are themselves responsible for the creation of problems like Kashmir and Palestine. They cannot totally depend upon for the judicial settlement for such a problem. As for India, it has decided to have Kashmir even without Kashmiris. The people of Pakistan must remember that eternal vigilance is the price of liberty. I conclude my speech with these words: well done is better than well said. On the behalf of Pakistan youth, I would like to assure all Kashmiris there is a good time coming later. Inshallah Taala, Kashmir banega Pakistan.